The dual inverter is officially 1 year old. Let's celebrate with the startup. And here we are. 1 year later, I am still just as happy with this thing as I was the day I got it. And yes, it's still improperly installed, and no, I don't plan to fix it. Before somebody asks. That's still my favorite sound of this thing, going up from 40 to 50 hertz. 50 hertz is when this thing has this kind of boldness to its sound. I really like it. Maybe temp check. We're getting about 52, let's say. Keep it out of the airstream so it's more accurate. But yeah, I've had this thing for about a year now, and I am extremely pleased with it still. Cools this room like nothing else, super quiet, and it's so efficient because it's dual inverter that I don't have to worry about the performance running at the same time and the breaker popping, because that used to happen. Why? Because, well, half this house was on the same circuit because somebody who built this house wasn't particularly smart. But anyway, yeah, it's just a quick 1 year celebration for the dual inverter. Very, very happy with it. Let's go spin it down. And there we go. 1 year. Still very happy with it.